Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? We're learning how to put this little bead rope board. As you can see, we've got trim up around. We're putting together a nursery. You just need a little handsaw to cut it. And then we're just going to use some Gorilla Glue that holds in like, I don't know, 30 seconds. And then it cures overnight and you can go pretty quick. So where you can't use full pieces, you're just going to measure, get it to where there's like a little crack in where the beads kind of separate. That's where we're going to cut this. I just got a little Japanese handsaw. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get one, but it doesn't take much. You could probably even use a mat knife. So you have that. You're going to take your Gorilla Glue and you're simply just going to, just a little bit, it doesn't take much, run along the back. And you can do this with full pieces too, where they butt up together. Okay, come over here to your wall. And you can do this even if you don't have this trim going around this chair rail. And you simply push it up there. Make sure it's snug up against the chair rail. It's snug against the wall. And boom, you're done. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.